Are you making these common mistakes during your exams? It's a question that deserves some thought. After all, nobody is perfect and we all have room for improvement. Today, we're going to delve into 5 common mistakes students often make during their exams, and more importantly, how to overcome them. First on our list is cramming. Cramming might seem like an effective last-minute study strategy, but it often backfires. The human brain absorbs information best over time, not all at once. So instead of trying to ingest a semester's worth of knowledge the night before an exam, spread your studying out over several days or weeks. This approach, known as spaced repetition, can significantly improve long-term retention of information. The second mistake is ignoring the instructions. Many students, in their rush to start answering questions, skim over or completely bypass the exam instructions. This can lead to avoidable errors. Always take a moment to thoroughly read and understand the instructions before diving into the test. It can make a world of difference. Thirdly, not reviewing your work. It's easy to feel a sense of relief once you've answered the last question on the exam, but don't submit your paper just yet. Always allocate some time to review your work. Check for any missed questions, unclear answers, and grammatical errors. A few extra minutes of review can sometimes mean the difference between a good grade and a great one. Our fourth mistake is negative self-talk. It's understandable to feel nervous before an exam, but don't let negative self-talk sabotage your performance. Instead, practice positive affirmations. Tell yourself, "I am prepared for this exam," or "I will do my best." A positive mindset can boost your confidence and enhance your performance. Finally, poor time management. Time management is crucial during exams. Without a proper plan, students often find themselves rushing through the last few questions, or worse, leaving some unanswered. Practice taking timed mock exams to get a feel for the pacing, and during the actual exam, keep an eye on the clock to ensure you're allocating your time effectively. Remember, exams aren't just about testing your knowledge. They're about testing your ability to manage stress, time, and tasks under pressure. So avoid these common mistakes and approach your exams with a strategic plan in place. Before we wrap up, remember to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Stay tuned, stay prepared, and ace those exams.